think those girls, they're looking at us. Those ones.
What?
Yeah.
No.
Act normal.
Dude, they're so hot. Oh my gosh.
Are you
Dude,
gonna
they're nuts.
Make a move.
I'm gonna go pick them up. Okay. I'm sweating.
Good luck.
Oh my gosh.
But chef, wait, he's coming over. He's coming over, guys. Don't. Oh my gosh.
Hi. Hi, lady. Do you come here often?
Every day.
Okay, you like rice too? Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. It's cold. It's cold rice. I can't. I'll go warm it up for you, okay? Okay? I'll be right back. Don't go away. Okay, bye.
Stop right there.
What?
Do you know the 5 rules of the microwave?
Microwave rules?
Yes.
Shoot! I forgot my lunch today. What am I gonna eat? Oh!
No.
Why not?
Give me this.
What?
Food only. Let's try some rice.
I love rice.
Allie, come here.
Those aren't yours, are they?
No.
All right. Well,
No.
let's leave these for the ladies, okay?
Okay.
I don't think so.
What did I do this time?
You need to put a cover on your food. We don't want any accidents.
I know a lot about accidents. Oh, rice. Yummy. Ugh! My rice is cold. Ugh.
Whoa. Excuse me.
Do you have something to say to me?
I do. Take your cold rice to the back of the line, sir. Ladies first.
Thank you.
Fido's cold. This'll warm you up, buddy. Vegetable. You should be all nice and toasty now, Fido.
I'm sorry, sir. But it looks like you made a mess.
Oh no!
You're gonna have to clean it up with this
Okay.
Windex.
Alright.
Feel good. I'm feel good.
Oh, you're so funny. Oh my gosh.
Eugene! What happened?
I learned how to use the microwaves the right way.
I do it for the ladies. But I gotta keep it hood. Where we at, Polo? Hey! I see you, Ryan. Yo, Keith, you was right. But we just getting started.